Yesterday, I had a batch to teach. So what I did prepare the batch randomly. Basically, I do have a habit that I prepare my each class, each batch, what to deliver, how to deliver. So I just prepared that randomly and I delivered that. Number one, I wasn't enjoying that particular thing. मैं उसको enjoy ज़्यादा नहीं कर रहा था, and that was okay. So basically, I was really conscious about preparing that my classes, my everything means like I believe that it is really important to have a wonderful experience of your class, or the students must have a wonderful experience. That's I'm really conscious about that. So yesterday I didn't do that. I wasn't prepared that, and I didn't really enjoyed it. Guess what happened? The next day, that student did not come. Might be he didn't enjoy the way he wants. Basically, होता क्या है in coachings or such places, students have freedom that they can quit if they cannot come. But let's talk about our the school system. Students do have to come every day, whether they get bored, whether they don't get bored. Basically, the frustration तो होता है, the frustration is inside, but they do not speak to teachers. So I think that we must take care as a teacher this thing that keep we must be really first prioritize and focus that keep creating the best experience for the student. That must be the priority. As like I have missed that one particular student, or that can happen to you, that maybe their students are not enjoying, they are not telling you, but they're not enjoying sometimes. You have to read that on their face. It's really important for that if every teacher what like there must be plan. Okay, let's say if you're if you're a principal, if you're education leader, if you are like the director, that you are training or helping some more teachers, so what you can do and ask every teacher to prepare their every period or every class they have to deliver, what to deliver, they must be prepared. If it's possible, have the briefing. And this is not only for the actually the managing the good system, but it's only also really good for the teachers as well. Why? Because actually at the time the teachers are clear, they don't have to worry about anything, right? So they're really clear, and they are more confident, they are more powerful, they are more really clear, because they have cleared their targets. So before you enter the classroom, take care that they must have a target. You must have a target before delivering any kind of class, or get confident, get powerful, and I'm sure the students of course will enjoy. When the objective, the purpose of the class is cleared, definitely the things will be really cool. Cool, cool. So what are you gonna do? Prepare and ask your teachers and ask your the management to prepare the sessions, the classes before they get into the classroom. It's really important in order to be more confident, in order to be more powerful, in order to be a really effective teacher. See you. I hope that this video helps you, or if it likes uh, it's helpful for you. And if you want to again re-energize, get some more teaching tips, I'll keep sharing with you, and get in touch with me. See you in the next video. See you.